popping in for a real quick lunch idea for the weekends. So we have some taco chicken that I meal prep in advance. We're going to cook it with some Spanish rice, and then here are the additional ingredients we need. 1.5 cup of water, and the box calls for a can of diced tomatoes, but we're going to go ahead and use the Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies. So put the chicken in the bottom because it's going to be less likely to burn than the rice too. It's also going to be more on the direct heat since I am starting from frozen. So I'm going to put all my liquid ingredients in first. And a pro tip is to use warm water from the faucet to help get everything up to pressure quicker. And then that's kind of how I always open my cans. That way I don't have to worry about a lid cutting anybody. And then I'm going to add in my rice real quick. So I'll be right back. Okay, so my rice is stirred in there, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my lid. I'm going to hit pressure cook for 15 minutes only because that chicken is frozen. I am using my smart lid, but if you don't have the Ulta lid, you'll have to make sure it's in sealing position. Okay, we did a quick release. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, all we got to do is stir this up and serve it. So chicken and rice with a Spanish twist.